Hello everyone. Welcome to our presentation for the Smart India Hackathon 2025. We are Team Innovatech at the rate 57 and today we are here to showcase our innovative solution for rural education. Our problem statement title is Digital Learning Platform for Rural School Students in Naba, and our solution addresses the theme of smart education through a software-based approach. So let's dive right into it. Our proposed solution is called Nanne Nerds, an offline first AI driven educational platform designed specially for rural students. In today's learning ecosystem, rural students often struggle with poor internet connectivity, lack of infrastructure, limited localized content, and outdated teaching methods. Teachers face difficulty in tracking students' progress, and parents often cannot engage due to digital literacy. On top of that, rural students remain unprepared for modern job skills and employability. Nanne Nerds attempts to solve all of this. It is a platform designed to make education accessible, engaging, and future ready for rural schools. Students can learn syllabus based lessons through gamified modules, AR/VR Lite, simulations, and interactive quizzes. Teachers can co create lessons, broadcast video offline, and track student performance using AI powered dashboards. Parents receive simple voice updates in local language, that is Punjabi in this case, ensuring inclusivity even if they are not digitally literate.
Our platform's unique propositions include several powerful features. First of it is offline first content delivery, which includes lessons, quizzes, videos can be stored locally and synced only when the internet is available, ensuring uninterrupted learning. Second of it is an interactive and gamified lessons. Quizzes, story based learning, and mini games make lessons fun and engaging. Third, AR/VR Lite for rural labs. Students can scan textbooks, images, and view 3D models like skeletons or solar systems completely offline and on low end devices. Fourth is peer to peer content sharing. Students and teachers can exchange lessons, assignments via Wi Fi direct or Bluetooth without relying on the internet. AI driven progress tracking. Teachers and parents can monitor the students' performance, attendance, and learning gaps through smart dashboards. Sixth is mentorship and teacher support program. Experienced teachers can guide less digitally skilled educators, learning recognitions, and incentives. Seventh is multilingual support and local content hubs. Lessons are delivered in multiple regional languages with local examples, ensuring accessibility for every community. Eighth, comprehensive student portfolio management. Each child has a profile showcasing projects, quizzes, and badges along with the teachers and parents' feedback. Ninth is an exam guidance and preparation module, which includes mock tests, revision flashcards, AI-powered study tips, helps students prepare effectively for exams.
Are not just giving an app, we thought beyond it. With LoRa, we can send attendance, progress, or update alerts across 15 kilometers. No internet, no telecom, just a low powered signal that keeps rural schools connected like magic and updates our database with interactive modules and new lessons.
As you can see on the screen, the project is divided into two key parts: the technological stack and the workflow. First, let's talk about the tech stack and methodology. We are building a lightweight mobile app using React Native and Tailwind CSS, ensuring compatibility with low-end devices. For the backend, we use Node.js and RESTful APIs to manage all processes. Data is stored offline using SQLite and RxDB, enabling local access even without the connectivity. For multilingual support, offline translation API are integrated. We have also included JWT-based secure login with RBAC to ensure student data protection. For scalability, the solution is deployable on AWS, but still works offline instead of classrooms. Finally, we add an AI voice tutor using NLP, which provides students with language guidance and personalized hints. Now let's look at the workflow architecture. Students log in and access interactive lessons that are preloaded on the device. They can study independently, attempt quizzes, and earn badges. Teachers create or upload lessons, track performance on dashboards, and even broadcast videos offline through peer to peer connection. Parents receive voice updates on progress. Finally, AI analyzes performance, identifies weak areas, and provides recommendations, ensuring every child gets personalized guidance.
Now let's discuss the feasibility of Nanne Nerds. Technical feasibility. The platform uses open source frameworks and is optimized for low end devices, requiring minimal hardware resources. Operational feasibility. It can be deployed in villages with little or no internet, and peer-to-peer sharing ensures scalability even without infrastructure. Market feasibility. There is a growing demand for affordable rural education solutions aligned with government curriculums. Multilingual supports makes it inclusive and community friendly. Economic feasibility. Costs are limited to app development and content digitization. Revenue comes from a freemium model, sponsorships, and NGO government partnerships. Legal feasibility. The solution compiles with Indian privacy and copyright regulations with school and NGO partnerships, ensuring trust. Schedule feasibility. A minimum viable product can be developed in 6 to 8 months, but we will develop in 2, with advanced features like AR/VR Lite and certificates added later. Now, let's highlight the impact benefits. For students, better access to education anytime, anywhere, even without internet. Fun and interactive lessons increase engagement. Personalized guidance improves confidence and performance. Skill building and digital literacy prepares them for future jobs.
For teachers, ready-made lessons save preparation times. Dashboard helps monitor progress and provide targeted supports. Mentorship programs strengthen the teaching ecosystems. Now for parents, simple voice updates keep them engaged. Second, portfolios and feedbacks ensures transparency. For community, peer-to-peer sharing encourages collaboration. Equal participation empowers marginalized groups. And at a large level, Nanhe Nerds bridges the rural-urban digital divide. It builds confidence, creativity, and employability in the next generation. It creates sustainability, inclusive, and future-ready rural education system. In conclusion, Nanhe Nerds doesn't just teach, it transforms learning from rural India. It ensures no child is left behind regardless of internet access, language, or location. Thank you.